Hello guys and welcome. Are you looking to remove your phone number from your Chatgpt account? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we will be walking you through the steps on how to remove your phone number from your Chatgpt account. So let's dive in. Navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you're on the home page, you will see the Try Chatgpt button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need to enter your registered email address or username and password and press continue button to log in. Firstly, you need to log into your Chatgpt account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Once you are logged in, click on the settings button located in the top right corner of the page or the three dots located in the bottom left corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Select Delete Accounts. In the Account Settings page, scroll down to the bottom of the page or the bottom of the pop-up and click on the Delete Account button. Step 4. Provide reasons for deleting your accounts, and you will be redirected to a new page where you will be asked to provide a reason or many reasons for deleting this account. Select an appropriate reason from the drop-down menu, and then confirm account deletion. On the registration page, you need to click on the sign up. But before deleting your account, make sure to save your data. And then you will need to refill in your personal details, starting by your email address and a password, which means you deleted your old account with your old phone number, and then you're gonna create a new account with the new desired phone number. Make sure you choose a strong password that contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And after filling in your personal details, click on the continue button to submit your information. You'll be receiving an email confirmation shortly after. Open the confirmation email and click on the link to verify your account. And once your account is verified, you will be able to fill the rest of your personal data like the first name, the last name, and a new valid phone number where you are going to receive an SMS with a code that you need to enter in order to verify the new entered phone number. So you can log in and start using Chatgpt, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any further questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please let us know in the comments below, and see you soon.